In this video, we will see how to create text masking effect in Photoshop. To create this effect, select an image. First thing is to remove background. Select Quick Selection tool. Select Subject. Fix the selection. I've already fixed it. Select Layer Mask, make sure not to delete background. Make background color white or any color you want. Select Vertical Type tool. Choose a font and type text. Resize image and the text by pressing Ctrl+T. After resizing an image, press Enter. Activate Layer Mask. Select black as a foreground color, and erase image from the text. To select text, click Layer Mask, and press Ctrl+T. Select Modify, then expand by 10 to 15. Press Alt plus Backspace. Make copy of layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Select and delete Layer Mask. Right-click on the layer and create Clipping Mask. And you can also add effect according to an image. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.